students, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the fill handle and the flash fill. You've used the fill handle above in the previous exercise perhaps, but let's just work it again. So you start with a pattern, grab your black cross and swing it across, and you can fill. Oops. So let's, excuse me, I need to grab both. Well, I'll do these at the same time and they'll go across, and they picked up the pattern. And watch what happened to quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts over, then quarter 1. And here are your years. Just get that black cross and you can fill across. That saves a lot of time. Another neat tool is the flash fill. So let's say that we had these names, these emails, and we wanted a list of the first names. I can type William, and I'm actually going to type the bold off of that. Whoops, I don't want that to be bold. I don't want any of these to be bold. Okay, so I have that name, and I want to pick up the name Joseph and Suzanne and Tyler and Lucas here. So there's a couple different ways to do it. This is a fill handle and that won't work. And you can use this over here. I'm on the home tab. I'm in editing. Click this down arrow and you don't pick down, you pick flash fill. And notice that there's a tooltip here and it says you can do flash fill with a Control E. So let's flash fill this, and it picked up the names. Let's say I want to just do at rtc.edu, and in this one here, this one here we have one that's different, UW. So let's see if it'll pick up the, whoops, I didn't want that all to happen. I just wanted to say at rtc.edu, and then I'm going to use my flash fill here. Okay, that's not working. Let's just do rtc.edu. There we go, now it will work. And then flash fill down and see where it picked up the UW edu. Okay, I was getting a problem with the function when I used the @ sign. It has some kind of special function. Now I'm going to show you again how to do this with using the Control key. So I'll type William in here, and now I just do Control E and it filled it in. Okay, so it's a lot easier to do it that way. So now we have a first name and a last name, Tyler Kendall, Nancy Long, and we want to just look at the first name, then we want to split off the last name, and then we want to reverse the order and put the last name first. So I'll put Lan in here as a first name, U, and then we want to do U, comma, Lan. Okay, so I can come here, come up to flash fill here, and fill it down. Here I can do Control E, boom, and Control E again, and it fixes it for me. So try those features out and have fun with it. If you can think of different ways that you would use it, let's see if we can just Seattle, Washington, Spokane, Washington, Portland, Oregon, and so we need to be here. I'm going to need to spread this out a little bit, make a little room. Okay, Seattle, Control E, oops, I need to do this, Control E, and I can just pick up the first names of them. Or if I just wanted the states, Control E. Notice that I don't do my Control E while I'm in here. Oh, it did work. I guess I was wrong there. I thought you might have to go down one cell. Okay, if for any chance this isn't working, you can go to data and come down here to this data tool right here, and here's flash fill again up here, and it could be that it might be turned off or something like that, so you can check there. Okay folks, that's it.